Are you tired of cluttered setups and searching for the perfect DJ stand? Meet the two-layer DJ stand, designed for DJs and audio professionals who need reliability and flexibility in their gear setup. The top frame is ideal for your mixer, while the bottom rack holds your large equipment like amps, equalizers, and microphone, offering a complete and organized solution. This stand offers an angle-adjustable top rack with easy spin knobs so you can customize the angle for optimal access to your gear. The sturdy, heavy-duty metal construction with anti-rust paint ensures durability, supporting up to 220.50 pounds. Plus, the stand is equipped with 4 lockable wheels for stability and secure placement during use, so you can move it around and lock it in place when needed. Setting up is a breeze, thanks to pre-drilled holes and a simple structure. Assembly takes just minutes, so you can focus on what matters most, your performance.
Get your 5-core Ultimate Rack Stand now.